In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a plunger like a pro to clear clogs in your sinks, toilets, and drains fast without needing to call a plumber. Using a plunger might seem simple, but there's definitely a right way to get that clog gone quick and avoid making a bigger mess. First off, you want to make sure you have the right type of plunger for the job. A cup-shaped plunger works perfect for sinks and tubs, while a flange plunger is better for toilets because it seals tighter. Before you start plunging, if it's a sink or tub, block the overflow hole with a wet cloth so no air escapes and you get better suction. When you plunge, keep the handle straight and push down gently at first to get a good seal. Then pump up and down vigorously without breaking the seal. Don't just go wild with the plunging, that can splash dirty water everywhere or even push the clog deeper. If it's a toilet, make sure there's enough water in the bowl to cover the plunger cup so you're getting that pressure working right. After a few good pumps, pull the plunger away quickly to break through the clog. If it still won't clear, wait a bit and try again, but don't overdo it or you might damage your pipes. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is using the wrong kind of plunger for their clog, which just wastes time and effort. Another common issue is not creating a proper seal, so you're basically pushing air instead of water, which does nothing for clearing the blockage. And finally, plunging too aggressively without patience often makes things worse by splashing water everywhere or damaging fixtures. The fix for these is simple. Pick the plunger designed for your drain type, block any overflow holes when possible, and go slow with steady pumps to build pressure before pulling up fast. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid platform that connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can handle any home improvement or repair work you need. Plus, it helps contractors find good gigs easily, so everyone wins when it comes to getting home projects done right without stress or sketchy results.